here's what it looks like from the entrance. And I have my little granddaughter's artwork up here. And this room is a 10 by 12. So right next to where you enter, I have a curtain, and I just attached a rod over the closet. And I thought this looked so much better than this would. So that's how I attached it, and I love the way this looks. It's right next to my mirror. So this is usually where I take my selfies, so you don't see the wood in the background when I'm taking my selfies. Don't mind the closet. It is in much need of organization, but I will show you how much stuff I have crammed in here. And I have that metal rack that I had in my old beauty room in this closet, and I also have another closet over in my bedroom where I have it set up pretty much the same way with the metal rack. Then I have lights that actually plug in right below the mirror. I have the wire snaked behind it. And then to store my extra makeup, I got these spice racks from Amazon and just stack them right on top of each other. And I actually think I'm gonna get some more of these because they are just perfect for storing makeup out of the way. And these paper curtains are the best thing ever. They are so cheap. They block out the light. I have white ones in the rest of my house and black in here and in my bedroom. And you just use these little clips that they come with, or you can just completely let it down or lift it up and then clip them at any height that you want. And up here, you just stick them on. It's self-adhesive. They are awesome, and I think they look so cute. So this is how I have my filming set up. I have just one ring light and a monitor so I can see what I'm doing. And then my camera behind it on a tripod. So the ring light is also on a tripod. And then I have my desk with all of my makeup and another big mirror in the corner so I can see, and just a tabletop mirror right there with my desk and my chair right here. And then next to it I have a smaller dresser for all of my hair stuff. And then I used a coat rack over here to hang some of my handbags. I love this little compartment where you can store combs in there and all of your hair stuff. You can put your hair accessories in here, your hair dryer. I got this acrylic tissue box. This is just water for my hair. And then in here, oh, these I got from Amazon, and I bought the dressers and these knobs separately, and I just put these knobs on. And then I have all of my hair stuff stored in there. Eyelash extensions, just a bunch of junk in there. Then I have these lipstick containers, and I will link every single thing that I'm talking about down below in the description box in case you guys want to check everything out. Another acrylic acrylic storage container. I love those. It just makes it so easy to store everything. Got these little drawers, more storage for palettes. And then I just use glasses for brushes and stuff that I use all the time. And on top of my desk, I put a piece of glass just so I can like lay my heating tools on there and it's easy to clean. And then in the drawers, I got these little acrylic section, I don't know what you call them, but I'll put them down below just so that the drawers are nice and organized. More hair stuff. Just all my little things. It's so nice. I know where everything is. Some earrings, hair stuff, makeup wipes. So that is how I organize all of my makeup and do my filming. So you guys can see the cars going by. That is why it's always so noisy when I'm filming, because the cars are literally right there next to my filming area. So this heater I never have on so I don't ruin anything, because it stays pretty warm in here, and with my ring light it gets kind of hot in here. So I just have these little storage cubes on top. I just throw some shoes in there, sunglasses, and then just have my necklace stands and my mannequin where I just hang jewelry. Another mannequin over here for storage. And this jewelry rack I made myself. I had a wooden frame and I just took out the glass and I put hooks in there, just regular cup hooks, so I could hang all of my jewelry on there. And then I attached a wire so I could hang the earring cards right on the wire. This is a great way to store your jewelry for cheap, and just hang it on the wall to keep it out of the way. And this is just some hooks, a decorative rack that I hang some more jewelry on. Then next to that is my background that you see. This is what you see when I'm filming behind me. And all of these bookcases I bought from Amazon, and the fabric boxes I got from Amazon, and the jewelry holders I also got from Amazon. So I just put my shoes in the bottom, and I got these awesome inserts to keep my boots standing up. Again, I will link all of this below in the description box. So these fabric boxes are awesome for storing stuff. I have clothes in there, just all kinds of stuff. And then all the way on the top, I store shoes, some more baskets up there, perfumes, handbag that one of my subscribers sent to me. So sweet. And I love the look of the black and white fabric baskets. Mix up the colors. More jewelry stands. And that's it. I have a bunch of scarves up there. And I literally just store whatever I would normally store. Like, there's my socks in there. Just whatever I would normally store in a dresser. I do have a dresser over in my bedroom, 2 dressers, and another closet. And this is a rolling garment rack that saves me when I'm trying to organize or prepare outfits. So you can move this, it just rolls around. I actually have another one that I use sometimes. And I have my thigh-high boots clipped on there. And that's it. We are back to the beginning again. I hope this gave you guys some ideas of how to organize a closet or beauty room or filming area in smaller spaces. I had to figure out how to fit all of this stuff into this little room, and it stays really nice and organized and works out great. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye.